do it? Yeah. Well, we don't normally bring other dogs in the middle of the show. We do have auditions in between shows and stuff.
There's a bunch of really cool dogs. Somebody else will want to try. He wants to try.
Do I have a heckler? Are you my heckler? I should let her do it? Well, I mean, I think we've got a few minutes. We can let you try. Sure, come on in. Okay, sheep. What's your dog's name? Laser. Hello, Laser. Laser's a shepherd. Excellent. Hi, Laser. How are you? But since we work with, big crowds like this, it's our policy to wash our dogs before we come. But some of us don't have time because we all have crazy, busy lives. So we bring our dog wash with us. Would you want to put him in the dog wash? I've been in it. It's quite nice, actually. Yeah, bubbles, and I didn't really want to come out, to be honest. But I was very prudent, so I had to come out. You're right. You're right. All right. Okay. Get out of your way. Oh, yeah, it's totally fine.
Splash, splash.
Oh wait,
jump back in the
sorry.
Well, how was I to know there was a pot?